Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
What's for dinner? Have you ever wondered how to ask this simple question in English? Well, today we're diving into the delightful world of food, exploring the vocabulary and phrases that will help you navigate any dining situation with ease. Have you ever found yourself sitting at the dinner table, your stomach rumbling, your mouth watering, and you just can't wait to find out what's on the menu? In English, we often use the phrase, "What's for dinner?" to express this curiosity. It's a casual, friendly way to ask about the evening meal. Try it out. Say, "What's for dinner?" Good job. Now let's say you're not only curious about the meal, but you're also eager to participate in the preparation. You might ask, "What are we eating tonight?" This phrase shows your interest in both the meal itself and the process of making it. It's a great way to show your enthusiasm and willingness to help out in the kitchen. Let's practice. Repeat after me. What are we eating tonight? Fantastic. And what if you have a specific dish in mind that you're craving? Or perhaps you're dining out with friends and you want to suggest a particular cuisine. You could use the phrase, "Do you want to eat?" followed by the name of the dish or type of food. For example, "Do you want to eat sushi tonight?" Or, "Do you want to eat Italian?" This is a great way to propose your food preferences in a polite, considerate manner. Let's give it a try. Say, "Do you want to eat pizza?" Great work. See how simple it is to talk about meals in English? These phrases, "What's for dinner?" "What are we eating tonight?" and "Do you want to eat?" are your keys to unlocking easy, natural conversations about food. Practice them, get comfortable with them, and soon you'll be chatting about dinner like a native English speaker. Now you know how to ask about dinner in English. Let's talk about how to express your food preferences next. So you've asked what's for dinner and now you want to share what you like or don't like to eat. How do you do that in English? Well, let's dive right into it. To express what you enjoy eating, the phrase "I like" comes in handy. For example, you might say, "I like pasta." It's as simple as that. You just fill in the blank with your favorite food. I like hamburgers, I like salad, I like steak, and so on. But what if you want to express a strong preference for a particular dish? That's where the phrase, "My favorite food is," steps in. "My favorite food is pizza," you might say, or "My favorite food is sushi." It's a great way to share your top choice when it comes to meals. Now, we can't always like everything, can we? Sometimes you might need to express that you don't enjoy a certain food. In English, you can say, "I don't like," followed by the food in question. For instance, "I don't like fish," or "I don't like broccoli." This phrase is useful when you want to avoid certain foods. Let's put these phrases into context. Imagine you're at a friend's house for dinner. Your friend asks, "Do you like spaghetti?" You can respond, "Yes, I like spaghetti." Or maybe they have cooked something you don't enjoy. If they ask, "Do you like Brussels sprouts?" you can say, "No, I don't like Brussels sprouts." And what if you're at a restaurant and the waiter asks, "What would you like to order?" You could respond, "My favorite food is pizza, so I'll have that." These phrases are quite versatile, aren't they? You can use them in a variety of situations to express your food preferences. Great job! You can now express your food preferences in English. Let's move on to how to order food. Imagine you're at a restaurant and you're ready to order. What do you say? In English, there are a few simple phrases you can use to order food. The first one is, "Can I have?" This phrase is straightforward and polite. Let's say you want to order a pizza. You would say, "Can I have a pizza, please?" It's always a good idea to add "please" at the end of your request. It shows respect and good manners. Now we'll try it with a few different dishes. "Can I have a burger, please?" "Can I have a salad, please?" "Can I have some fish, please?" Practice saying these sentences out loud. Remember to replace the food item with your desired dish. The second phrase you can use to order food is, "I'll take the..." This phrase is also polite and commonly used. If you want to order pasta, you would say, "I'll take the pasta, please." Let's practice this phrase with different food items. "I'll take the steak, please." "I'll take the vegetarian option, please." "I'll take the chicken, please." Again, practice these sentences out loud and replace the food item with your dish of choice. Now let's imagine we're in a restaurant. The waiter comes to your table and asks, "Are you ready to order?" You reply, "Yes, I am. Can I have the spaghetti, please?" Or, "Yes, I am. I'll take the salmon, please." Remember, when you're ordering food in English, it's important to speak clearly and confidently. Use these phrases, "Can I have?" and "I'll take the..." And don't forget to say "please." Well done. You now know how to order food in English. Let's review what we've learned. We've covered a lot today. Let's take a moment to review. In our culinary journey, we've learned to ask, "What's for dinner?" and "What are we eating tonight?" These are your go-to questions when you're curious about what's cooking. Next, we delved into expressing our food preferences. Remember, the English language gives you the flexibility to be specific about your likes and dislikes. So, when you're talking about what you enjoy eating, you could say, "I like pasta," or "My favorite food is pizza." On the other hand, if there's a dish you're not particularly fond of, you could express that by saying, "I don't like fish." It's all about personalizing your English language experience. We also navigated the world of ordering food. The phrases, "Can I have one?" and "I'll take the chicken, please," are your keys to unlocking a smooth ordering experience. It's all about politeness and clarity when you're requesting a meal. Now, let's put these phrases to practice. Imagine you're at a friend's house and you're curious about the dinner plans. You could ask, "What's for dinner?" or "What are we eating tonight?" Or perhaps you're at a restaurant and you're ready to order. You could say, "Can I have the steak, please?" or "I'll take the vegetable soup." Equally important is the ability to express your food preferences. Maybe you're at a party and someone offers you sushi, but you're not a fan. You could politely decline by saying, "I don't like sushi." But let's say you're a huge fan of Italian cuisine. You could express that by saying, "I like pasta," or "My favorite food is pizza." The goal here is to practice, and practice some more. The more you use these phrases, the more comfortable and natural they will feel. Congratulations! You've learned how to talk about food in English. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be chatting about your favorite foods with ease.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level A1. Dinner. Dinner, the main meal of the day, usually eaten in the evening. Example, for dinner, I usually have rice and chicken. Vegetables. Vegetables, plants or parts of plants that are used as food, such as carrots or spinach. Example, I like to eat vegetables like carrots and broccoli for dinner. Rice. Rice, a small, white grain that is cooked and eaten. Example, I have rice with my meal almost every night. Chicken. Chicken, meat from a bird, often eaten as a main dish. Example, tonight, we are having grilled chicken with rice. Soup. Soup, a liquid food made by boiling meat, vegetables, or fish in water. Example, I enjoy eating vegetable soup when it's cold outside.